This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. The courts have made their decision. The order came down yesterday on the final day, which gave the SEC and XRP the abeyance that they wanted in the XRP SEC lawsuit. Now they don't really have to do anything till the middle of June, when I guess XRP is going to have to give the courts some kind of follow-up or an update on exactly what's going on. They had until April 16th to get either the order from the judge, or the attorneys from XRP had to submit an answer by, I guess, 11:59 on April 16th. The bottom line is this. In my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP, this is great news, okay? It means the courts are on board. The courts see that the case is winding down. And if the court grants the abeyance, it leads me to believe that the courts expect the case to be settled very, very soon. And more than likely, before that mid-June date, they might submit some type of settlement to the court and say that the XRP SEC lawsuit is over. And while technically it's relatively done, the bad actors are still going to manipulate XRP. They're going to still spread FUD. They're still going to do everything in their power to get you to sell your XRP coins at these ridiculously low rates, in my opinion. And once again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP. I'm telling you that there's a lot of 1%ers who don't want to see a lot of Americans financially independent. Okay? And I believe, in my opinion, based on everything I've seen with XRP, everything I've read, how I'm analyzing it, XRP has the potential to make a lot of everyday Americans financially independent. And that scares the hell out of a lot of the 1%ers, a lot of the institutions, because that means they won't have Americans showing up to those cubicles or to those fast food joints or wherever else they might be working to work like a slave until they're 65, and then they might get another 5 years of living before they die. Bottom line is this. The SEC XRP case is on hold. It is on hold. The judge has ordered the abeyance, and more than likely there will be some type of settlement before that mid-June date, or official written settlement, that they both signed, the XRP attorneys and the SEC attorneys signed, and, submit it to the courts. And if the courts approve it, then it's over. Then it's over. But in my opinion, the biggest catalyst is going to be two things. XRP taking over a majority of the SWIFT system. XRP taking over a majority of the SWIFT system, and those XRP ETFs being approved. I believe they're going to have a bigger impact on the price of XRP than the judge signing off on the end of this lawsuit. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's great that the courts have accepted the abeyance and gives these two actors, the SEC and the XRP, time to settle this case before the middle of June? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.